What if luxury wasn't just driven, but experienced? Welcome to a world where design meets desire. This isn't a car, it's a statement. Crafted with obsession, not just built. Where machines and artisans collide. A single line can define a legacy. Power born in silence. Every touch perfected? Beneath the hood, a beast awaits. Power, poise, precision. Design that dances with the wind. Interiors fit for royalty? Where comfort meets command? Light becomes emotion. Sound engineered to thrill. Technology wrapped in elegance. Luxury isn't loud. It whispers. You don't just drive it, you wear it. A presence you can't ignore. Luxury in motion. Every road becomes a runway. Every second, a signature. Every journey, unforgettable. Innovation in every fiber. Form, function, finesse. The future has arrived elegantly. Built to impress. Driven to inspire. Beyond machines into dreams. It's not about speed, it's about soul. Luxury isn't a destination, it's how you move. Which one would you drive first?